All right, at the end of the school year, it's a good idea to clean up your Google Classrooms and prep them for the next school year. So I'll show you a couple of quick things you can do to get your classes ready to go for next August. First thing, go to your Google Classroom and you're going to want to select the People tab. Next, go down to Students, select this box here at the top, and that's going to select all the students in the class. I've only got these two, but checking this box will select all of your students. Select Actions, Remove. It's going to say, are you sure you want to remove these students? Yes, you want to remove these students. This doesn't delete any of the work or the files that they've submitted. Those are still in your class folder in your Google Drive, but it prevents the students from accessing the class, from posting things in the class, and so forth. So we've removed students from the classroom. Next, we're going to archive the class. Archiving the class is not deleting the class. You can still restore it. You can still pull any assignments from this class. So next school year, you say, I still want to use some of those assignments that I created this year in this classroom. You can still do that when you archive a class. It's not removing your ability to still access any of the assignments that you've created this year. You can still do. It's just organizational. So I'm going to go up to the hamburger button up here in the top left. I'm going to select classes, right? And archiving classes prevents what you see on my screen here, and that's having way too many classes that you don't need on a daily basis. You only want the classes for your current school year to be on your dashboard, right? And that's why I label mine with the year here. So for 2019, 2020, I don't need that now, so I'm going to archive it. But next year, my 2020, 21 classes, I will label them that way, and I can still pull from any assignments that I want from this school year. I just don't need them to be active on my dashboard every time I go to my Google Classroom. So to archive your classes, you're going to click the three vertical dots right here, and you'll just select Archive. Once again, it's going to say, are you sure you want to archive it? Yes, archive. You'll see it's going to disappear, right, from my dashboard, and I can do that to all of my classes. Again, I can't emphasize this enough. You can still access everything in these classes. They are not deleted. And that's it. That would clean up your class dashboard, and you're ready to start fresh for the next school year.